Hello friends, welcome to Vijit Tech. This is Sai Prakash. In this video, I would like to tell you about preparation strategy of SSC JEE Electrical for last 88 days. Friends, this exam has been postponed September 1 to September 4th. So, we are having only 88 days for this exam. This exam is about 200 marks and 2 hours exams. This is having a negative marking of 0.25 marks. So you have to be careful about negative marking, friends. If you know the answer, you have to keep it, otherwise you have to left it. Okay, and coming to the 200 marks, in the 200 marks you are having 50 marks for general intelligence and reasoning. General intelligence, GI, and reasoning. Okay, and another 50 marks is about general awareness, GA. And here comes our core, friends. 100 marks is for electrical, engineering electrical, EE. We have to more stress about this 100 marks, friends, because this is our heart, right? This never fails us. Electrical. And coming to this 100 marks, we are going to more focus on this 100 marks, friends, because we will don't know about whatever going across the world exactly, and we have to keep more time in general intelligence and reasoning. So we have to write this exam, this 100 marks of paper, in only 30 to 40 minutes. So you can gain more time in this area. So 80 to 90 minutes for this area. Okay, please go to the previous year question papers, friends, so that you will know where you have to focus more on. Okay, please go to the previous year question paper. We will provide you the previous year question papers in the group also. That will be in the description below. And coming to the mock test, please write the mock test so that you will know at what position you are and what you have to take to reach to the next position. Okay, and whenever you have got less marks or you have failed to answer a question, please take that as a fail and admit that you don't know the answer. You have to take that as a learning opportunity and take a path towards the success by learning about that question. Okay, don't give up, friends. For gaining the concept, you have to attain the peaceful environment. So you have to study at 3 to 7 in the morning and afternoon 1 to 3, and at the night 9:30 to 11. And in the leftover hours, go through the previous papers and write the mock test and go through our videos. This is a free of cost, friends. Full course is a free of cost. And we are going to more focus on electrical also, but based on the concept oriented as well as important questions and as well as previous year question papers also. Friends, for the first 45 days we are going to focus more on the general awareness, general intelligence and the reasoning, and we are going to upload important questions and previous questions from electrical core. In the last days we will go through the core concept and as well as the important questions and the previous questions. Friends, let me take the example. We are going to say something is full whenever it is 100%, right? 100. We are having only 88 days for our success, that is SSC JEE examination. So 88 days. Let me take, if you successfully studied and successfully fulfill your one day, so you are going to get 1 credit. If you use one day successfully, you are going to get 1 credit. Okay. So if you use 88 days fulfillment, so you are going to get only 88 credits. But to get 100 credits, you are 12 steps away. 12 steps away. Okay, you are going to gain this 12 credits when you nail your examination with flying colors, friends. So you will gain the success over here. Okay, and this 12 steps is hard, right? So you have to be more positive and get the negative away from you. So for that, let me take you another example, friends. We are living on earth, right, friends? Let me take that on this. Not to scale, friends. This is earth, right? Earth will have a layer, ozone layer. It will protect living beings from ultraviolet, right? So you also create the positive layer so that you are being protected by the positive layer against negative. So be positive and never give up, friends. Friends, let's take this day as a first day towards our success. Okay, you are only 100 steps away from the success, as I told you in the before example. And be positive and make a positive layer around you so that you will overcome the negativeness around you. Okay, never give up, friends. Coming to the SSC JE course, this is free of cost, friends. Please go through the strategy I have explained you right now in this video. Friends, if you like the video, please do like, share and comment for the video, and subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching the video, friends.